What is up? JasonHibono. My name is Snapchat.
We're kicking it. We're here in the Ryan Shah car ride.
Welcome to the apostrophe S.
Hey, welcome to the Ryan Shah car.
The Ryan Shah car.
Yeah, this is it.
Shah.
We're riding right now. So we're in traffic right now. Traffic.
But we have a trunk full of chicken. Live.
Oh yeah, we literally have chickens in the trunk.
Yeah.
What?
I'm freaking exhausted.
So our friend told us to get eggnog at Costco, but guess what? It's January what?
Like
19?
19. He wants eggnog.
It's seasonal.
And then he's like, oh, I meant egg whites, bro. My bad. Freaking, we're gone, dude. Can't get... No egg whites for you.
Stupid. So, what happened last night? Tell me about your night.
Oh my freaking Don Q, dude. Don Q app. I was gonna go to sleep and I got roped in to taking 2 shots. It was a big glass of Don Q and I wanted to die. Dude, it freaking burned. It burned like 2 hours later. No, an hour later while I was sitting in bed watching Shark Tank. Just my stomach was on fire. Dude.
Like, what's the alcohol percent?
75%. Oh, 151.
So imagine drinking pure fire. The Ryan Shah car is the dry car.
We're also a non bad word.
Exactly,
car,
and I also want to get monetized. So
yeah.
So no bad content, you know.
We're a family-friendly YouTube channel.
Of course, we're all a family here. Thank you for joining.
It's Ryan and Jason.
You bitch.
Ryan and Jason from Snapchat.
Oh, you know, what's that called? What's the word called? What's that thing? What's the thing you call it? Okay, you don't prepare for something. You go, you not wing it, but improvise.
Your bitch won't in a quarter mile. Continue.
What the
stupid?
Continue straight on South Sepulveda Boulevard.
She keep on sucking like it's 10.
Have you guys heard of Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the move.
Green Lamborghini, your tortoise. No human being, I'm immortal.
No nigga wanna be my ex. I love
Oh, caught that. It makes me sad because, you know, I lost a girl at such a.
But I mean, if you want to lose a girl, wouldn't you want to lose a girl?
Because I will be down for that, you know. Alright, watch, look at this. Brendan has a car, so that's all I gotta say. Or his little.
Peace out, Snapchat.
Peace.
YouTube was real.
Yeah, Kim Jong, yeah, big bomb. Wonder bread, man, make your bitch lick crumb. Yeah, out of my pocket, flooded, got my wrist numb. Link, grab the hit stick, nigga tryna blitz some. Dope boy, I sell coke.
Let me tell you a story, actually. This is funny.
Okay, tell
My
the story.
friend in Maryland, right? Who's gonna be living here in a week or so.
Right.